Hello, cyber family. How's everybody today? I am going to do, first of all, I want to welcome each one of you and thank you for joining and for your support. I have some filet chicken breast and I am going to do, and I've seasoned them well. I've seasoned them with garlic powder, onion powder, a little Creole seasoning, a little black pepper and salt. And I am going to do fried chicken, and in this iron skillet I have a little oil and some butter that I am melting here. I have my bowl with buttermilk and 2 eggs. I'm going to dip my chicken in flour. I'll do flour, then I'll do the egg and buttermilk, then back to flour. I'm letting my grease get hot, and then I will bread them really well and then put them in the grease. And then I'll come back and show you how I will make my sauce in just a minute. I'm going to go on and fry this chicken, but let you see the process. Okay. I'm going to show you how I am going to do one. I have it here. It's in the flour. I'm battering in the flour, and my hands are impeccably clean. I have washed them really well. Okay, this is the flour, and this is the egg going in the egg, like so. See that? And then back in the flour. I am double basting it. Okay? And I'm letting my grease get hot, my oil and my butter. I have about 4 tablespoons of butter and probably about 4 tablespoons of oil. And it's sizzling right now, so this is the chicken that I'm going to put right here in the skillet. You hear that sizzle? Okay, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna put 2 in the skillet. Batter this one really well. Then coat it with the egg and buttermilk. And back in the flour. And let's see here. Shake the excess and put it in the skillet. Let's turn this down a little, up a little, because we want to get that sizzle, the sizzling sound. Let me wash my hands. See, paper towel, dry them. Got flour on the stove, so I'll get that. I'm going to get a nice crust on them, and then let you see what's going on here in the skillet. See that? Get a nice crust on them and sear them really good, and then I will come back and show you what the next step is.